My name is Mauricio Junot. I am the CEO and founder of Armory Products, a company specialized in commercialization of armory product and service offering worldwide for civilian, police, and military force and aeronautics. Vehicle armor, armor vest, helmet, and exclusive mobile team service in operation in every continent around the world. Armory Product has years of experience in manufacturing and delivering world-class armor vehicles to every continent in the world with the most innovation technology in the industry. We are specialized in the manufacturing of bulletproof vehicles for civilian, law enforcement, military force, VIPs, government officials, head of state, business executive, or any other individual who perceives a threat. We are a world leader in the design and manufacture of light and full armor vehicles, all with exclusivity and innovative 360 degrees shielding technology and the use of the highest quality components. Click on the link below and enjoy the fastest growing sector in the world. Welcome to the revolution. Welcome to ArmorCoin.